From its racing-derived electric turbocharger to its advanced digital cockpit, the new AMG C43 is a high-tech powerhouse. A handcrafted engine and fine-tailored cabin are wrapped in a wind-cheating eye-catching body. With 402 horsepower on its spec sheet, you might assume that the 2024 Mercedes-AMG C43 was powered by a twin-turbo V6, but it's actually got a fiery little Turbo 4 with some cool tech cribbed from the Mercedes F1 racing program under its hood. An electric motor spins up the turbocharger to help reduce lag, and a 48-volt hybrid system gives an extra boost too. It doesn't have the same punch as the even more powerful C63 model, but the C43 represents a big step up in performance from the standard Benz-branded C300 sedan. The C43's suspension tune is aggressive, with a ride that's stiff, but a rear-wheel steering system and adaptive dampers all contribute to the car's agility. Inside, the C43 is just as premium as the C300 but wears a racier wardrobe, including carbon fiber trim, sports seats, and upholstery with boldly colored contrast stitching. A big portrait-oriented infotainment screen provides access to the digital world, and a host of driver assistance features are on the roster too, making the C43 a sports sedan that can double as commuter transit, a family car, or a road trip companion. All models come with a large 11.9-inch infotainment touchscreen that is seamlessly integrated into the center console and canted slightly toward the driver. A 12.3-inch digital gauge display is also standard, and the system runs the latest Buck software interface that allows for voice activation. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are included and offer wireless connectivity. A wireless smartphone charging pad is standard. A high-end Burmester stereo system is optional, as is a head-up display, and in-dash navigation.